Hello friends, welcomes you all in this design industry based training session. We will learn how to design a product. It may be metallic or it may be non-metallic using the software CATIA, the design rules and the design standards followed by the industries. This is 30 to 40 hours design industry based training session. Once you completed this course, you are proficient enough to design any components by your own and not seen as a fresher. You will be confident to attend any design interviews based on CATIA tool. We will learn this tool from Cross CATIA. This Cross software will be available at website Get into PC, or you maybe can install this software from any computer software update shop. Why this course is introduced? Spending a lot of money to buy this course package from different learning platforms. Even your financial condition is not so good. This is the reason to introduce this course. Who can take this course? A fresher or a experienced mechanical engineer or an automobile engineer who is seeking an opportunity in design field, or else an engineer not from design field also can take this course to enhance his or her skills.